What's good? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy True Traders back again with another video, guys. So I'm going to be teaching you how to master your setup and entry on US30, guys. And if you are still a beginner, I wouldn't advise you to trade US30 because of the spread. And US30 tends to, you know, change people when it comes to trading. This thing is dangerous. US30 and gold, it's dangerous, guys. But welcome back to another video, guys. So I've been gone for some time, but I recently just dropped another video, so I just decided now let me just drop another one. So be sure to hit that like button, hit that sub button, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you are notified every time we drop, guys. So let's get into the video. So we are on US30 on the 4 hour time frame. So you would want to start on a higher time frame like the 4 hour or sometimes even the daily if you're not feeling the 4 hour time frame, even the daily, guys. So the difference between time frames is that, guys, how long do they take to form a candlestick. So on the daily time frame, one candlestick takes a day to form. On the 4 hour, it's one candlestick takes 4 hours to form. On the 1 hour, and so on, guys, so, and I love to use these time frames because they are also available on our MetaTrader, unlike the 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 10 minutes, so I only use the time frames that are available on our MetaTrader, guys. So yeah. And I don't think a lot of people know that you can actually trade from TradingView, but only if you're using a broker that's affiliated with TradingView, guys. And you also want to do your analysis on TradingView, guys, because hey, on MetaTrader those things can be manipulated. So, guys, I don't know why this thing is loading slowly. Let me see on the 4 hour. I don't know why it's loading slowly, guys. Okay, I guess we have to do with the 4 hour time frame then, because it's just loading slow. And anyways, I don't care about what's happening there. I'm just gonna focus on current price. So, guys, be sure to pay attention because it's about to get hit. So, guys, you can clearly see that price has been bullish for US30, guys, because the 4 hour time frame actually gives us the overall movement, guys, of the market. I don't even need to draw trend lines, but I might do them because some of you guys just love trend lines, and there are some traders who are actually profitable using trend lines. So what I'm marking out here, guys, is my swing low and my swing high. Okay, this is a swing low, this is a swing high, and this was a previous swing high before structure was broken here, and this is the current swing low right here, and it hasn't been broken, which means, guys, we are still confirmed for our buys, but we will see when we dig in deeper if we are still looking for buys on US30. So starting off right here, guys, this was a swing high and this is a swing low. Okay, and the reason US30 has been buying, this was also a confirmation because we had a double bottom here. Every time you see a double bottom, it's a buy. You see a double top, it's a sell. Most of the time, I'm not saying all the time, most of the time, like 95% of the time, that's how it is, guys. And when it comes to trading, guys, 90% of the time is trying to find a setup and waiting for a perfect entry, and 10% of the time you're executing trades, and it doesn't mean you're going to win that 10% of the time, guys. Sometimes you might lose. You might, even if you use proper risk management, 8% of the time you will lose, and 2% of the time you might make profit. And when you make profits, you might make more than you lose, only if you're using the right psychology and you are using a plan, because a trader without a plan will always fail, guys. That's how it is. So back into the market now on US30, you can clearly see this had confirmed our buys, and the minutes this confirmed our buys, there's only one sensitive area that we were aiming for, and which is this high right here. We were looking to sweep this high right here, and you can clearly see that the high was swept, and we call this a break of structure. And every time a break of structure occurs, guys, I keep on saying this on all my channel, I mean my videos that I drop. Every time a break of structure occurs, guys, price will always come back into a certain area for a retest, guys. And I'm just drawing my order block, and I see a fair value gap also right there. if you want me to drop a video on other blocks and fair value gaps, guys, please say so, guys, because I don't know whether you know them or not, so I don't want to waste time on things that you know. I just want to get right into it. So you can clearly see that price broke structure, came back down to retest and broke structure again right here, guys. And after breaking structure again, price came back down to retest, but here price failed right here at the top. Price failed to break the structure right here, meaning we got a double what? A double top. It means what we were doing, we were selling, trying to sell into this area right here and trying to see where the price was gonna go back up right there, which means we were not supposed to trade on this area right here, rather we are supposed to wait. But you can clearly see that price fooled us and pretended as if it was going to go up again, but price ended up reversing, which means if I was trading, my stop loss was going to be hit. But you can clearly see on this low, a break of structure occurred, guys. After this break of structure occurred, price came back up for what? For a retest, came back down. After coming back down, price also failed to break this low right here. Price failed to break this low right here. So when price failed to break this low right here, what did we get here, guys? We got a double bottom. Whenever you get a double bottom, just like here at the double top, when you get a double bottom, what do? You buy. So now when we bought on the double bottom, price went up onto this high right here. What happened on this high, guys? Break of structure occurred. What happened after that break of structure? Price came back down to sit on this area right here for a what? For a retest, and our buys will still confirm, guys. Okay, and price broke the structure here again, the structure that it just created, and came back down to sit on where? On this area right here. And as soon as price came back to sit on this area right here, what's happening? Our buys are confirmed. So now what are we looking for? We are looking for buys. Our buys are confirmed, guys. You see, guys, I made everything look so easy, but now it doesn't mean since I found that we are looking for buys on the 4-hour time frame, I'm going to buy on the 4-hour time frame. And it doesn't mean you are also not supposed to buy on the 4-hour time frame. It just all depends on the kind of trader you are. There are scalpers, swing traders, you know, different kind of traders, guys. So mostly people like me, I'm a day trader, guys. I'm a day trader, so I'll be holding trades for like 2 to 3 hours, depending on my trading plan and on how much I'm willing to risk and how much I'm willing to make on a daily basis. Okay, so when okay, since I'm teaching you my strategy, guys, I analyze on the 4-hour time frame and I confirm using the 15 minutes time frame, guys, most of the time. So let me wait for this to load. So most of the time, so now what's happening, guys, is I can clearly see on the 15 minutes time frame the market was bullish and was bearish. Sorry about that, was bearish, and now price is what is bullish. When price is bearish, guys, price is going down. When it's bullish, it's going up. Please don't be confused by the words. And guys, in order to be profitable, you have to understand, guys, liquidity. You know, I was blowing accounts until the day I understood what liquidity was, guys. And I'm also here on the 15 minutes time frame doing the same thing, guys. I'm doing the same thing, guys. You can see price created a double top here and sold hard, guys. After price sold hard, it came back down, created a low, tried to go back up, failed, came back down, failed to break this low right here, and meaning we had a double bottom, and price now is buying, just like here when we had a double top, price sold. So now what are we doing? From here we were trying to sweep this liquidity right here, which means now if price touches this area and fails to break and tries to retrace, we might look for sells into this area right here. So now still I'm not looking to sell this. I'm not looking to sell US30, guys. I'm looking to buy US30 because I truly believe in the setup, guys. I truly believe in the setup. Some of you may even want to use trend lines when it comes to this sort of things, guys, but mostly for me, I don't want to do that. Now I can see, okay, a break of structure occurred. Now price may go up and try to retest on a certain area right here and come back down, which means, guys, I'm not going to enter for buys as of yet. I'm going to wait for price to drop into a certain area down here. I'm going to wait for price to come back down into this area before I enter for what? Before I enter for buys. So I'm going to wait for price to come back down into my area of interest and wait for buys, guys, which means I want to see price to come drop down into this area and respect my setup, guys. So I want to see price do something like this, guys. I'm expecting price to do something like this. Okay, I'm not saying it will, that's what I'm saying. I'm expecting. There's no 100% trading strategy when it comes to forex trading. I'm not a forex guru, I'm not a forex master, I'm not the chart master. I'm just simply sharing what I know about the forex market, guys. Okay, I'm simply sharing what I know about the market. So now I'm going to wait, which is why I told you that 90% of the time when it comes to trading we wait and 10% of the time we execute. So now if the market doesn't drop down to my area of interest, it means my trade is invalid and my analysis are invalid. I will not be forcing entries and trying to buy from this area hoping price will come back here. That's a premature entry, guys. I'm using a trading plan, I'm following my trading strategy, so I do not want to do things that I just feel like it might happen, or use faith when it comes to the market. Faith does not work when it comes to the market. Sorry about that. So now we are going to wait for something to happen. Even if price comes back here, I'ma wait for price to drop. This is where I wanna enter, because you cannot buy when price is at its highest and you cannot sell when price is at its lowest. We sell when price is high and we buy when price is low, guys. You can go to any forex channel and you will simply understand what I'm talking about, guys. So that's how we analyze the forex market. Guys, I think I might just drop a video on how the forex market works, guys. I think I've explained this in most of my videos. Guys. I don't know whether you guys have noticed that the market moves in a certain area and the same way every time. See, the problem with teaching with these lines is because people here will say, yes, we understand, but when it comes to this, people won't understand. You can clearly see that this is also the same thing as this. We are going up, we're gonna come back down just like here and drop into a certain area and continue going up when we are bullish, but not necessarily every time, guys. Not every time. See, here are higher highs and higher lows. Here, oh no, sorry guys, are lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so about that, these names just get confusing as time goes by. Here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, those kind of things. And this, guys, is the same thing that I'm analyzing there at the top. You can clearly see this is my swing high, and here this is my swing low, which means I'm buying when price is at its lowest and I'm selling when price is at its highest, just like I wanna do right here. Now you can clearly see that I'm using my trading plan and my trading strategy, guys. So another thing you wanna do is not to be greedy, guys. I will also drop another video on how you should approach the market, guys. So right now I was teaching you on how to master your setup and entry, guys, and also follow your forex strategy, guys, or any kind of strategy that you are using. But for now I was just sharing my thoughts and how I approach the market. So guys, I'll see you on the next video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, that sub button, and switch on the post notification bell to join the VIP group, guys, for only 500 Rand per month. I will leave my WhatsApp number down below. You can either contact me or you get in touch with my assistant, guys. So Yeah, I will also drop a video on how beginners should start about the forex market. And when you're also starting out, guys, please learn about the risk management, guys. Risk management is very, very, very important, especially when you are a beginner, guys. And start with a demo account, but I wouldn't advise you to trade more than a month using a demo account, because your psychology will not be involved. When you are using a demo account, no psychology is involved, because you are trading emotion free. You don't know real losses. And in forex there are no losses, guys. Forex is a business. These are all expenses. You know, guys, what I'm saying. So yeah, I don't want to talk much and keep on boring you, but yeah, see you on the next video, guys. Ciao.